Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want a really short video. I don't know if you remember this cockatiel that I was showing. They have laid eggs 3 times, and the second time the baby born and he died unfortunately, but this time they have nailed it, and so we have a new white face baby. There's the mommy is the white face. Guys, please remember to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. Goodbye, adios.